Hi everyone, I'm so excited about this video because it's my first cooking video and I really love to cook, so I'm excited to share my cooking with you all. So tonight I will be making salmon, asparagus, and potatoes. One of my specialties I make like every other week. So stay tuned on how I'll show you how to make that meal in under an hour. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and set the oven to 375. Okay, so starting with the salmon, here it is. The seasonings that I'm going to use, so you can go ahead and get started. I use some organic black pepper. Then I use some Obey seasoning. Then I'm using some Italian Medley. And I have some roasted garlic and herb. And some Tony's Creole seasoning. Not too much of that if you don't want it spicy. And that's it. So I have some olive oil that I'm gonna put at the bottom of the pan. Alright, my oven is done. Perfect timing. And then take the salmon down here. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice to the top of it. So this is how it should look going into the oven. Okay, so now it's time to cut the potatoes up. So let me go ahead and get started. So I just cut the potatoes up finally, and now I'm about to put some water in here and put the potatoes. I don't do a good job when it comes down to measuring how much I'm supposed to use, so I just eyeball it. So got the potatoes in there. About all the same seasonings as I did with the Okay, so first when you cook an asparagus, I already rinsed them off. And so you gotta cut off the ends of the asparagus. So these knives are amazing. So I have some olive oil. And with the olive oil, once you do that, you take it. Just make sure the asparagus are well greased. And spread them out. Add some pepper. You add Obey. I usually make everything with Obey. So you do a little bit of Obey. And last you add a little bit of seasoning salt, just a little bit. And like this, you're gonna put them in the oven. So this is how I keep my asparagus fresh. I cut out the ends and I put some water in a jar and I make sure they're rinsed off. And I put it back in the refrigerator. And I also put a Ziploc bag on top of them. I learned this method from my sister. I just know it keeps them fresh and makes them last longer. This is how they look with the Ziploc bag on top of them. And put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so everything is just about done. These are the potatoes. They cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the salmon. I like my salmon well done. So it doesn't really look that dark, but this is it looks lighter in person, but I'm not sure why it looks so light, so dark on camera. But yeah, this is it. The salmon cooked for about 35 minutes on 375. And that's the asparagus. The asparagus only cooked for about 10 to 12 minutes. It doesn't take long to cook. And yes, so all of this in under an hour. So it's time for my favorite part, is to eat and to try to see what delicious meal I made. Hopefully it tastes good. So, well, I know it's gonna taste good. So, you know, let's just go ahead and do a little taste test. I'm gonna try the salmon first. Okay. That's good. I don't even be exaggerating, but it tastes so good. I'm gonna eat this in my hand. Just right. I don't like my asparagus cooked too hard and cooked too soft. So this is perfect. So yeah, everything tastes good. Passed my test. It is spicy though. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that your food turns out like mine or better. So yeah, about to go in.